Hi guys, today we will talk about how to control push frequency on your Temu app. We will go to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your Temu app. All you have to do, just go down here, you click here on your hair on down, then it's going to take you here in this window. And all you have to do now, just go down here and you click here on settings, then you come to settings window, and all you have to do now, just click here on notifications, then you come to here in this window and you click here on permissions. Here you click here on edit, then it's going to take you here in this window and you just come here to push frequency. Here you will click here on control. Here you add it on normal, it's on normal now. Can you add it here on no on in frequent here and frequent here, so you can control. Just I will go to add it on normal like this, like you say, and here you can control your push frequency on your Temu app. I wish you know you I get it. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.